Welcome back. In this next section, we're going to jump straight into creating our third virtual machine, the Firefox node. So on the home page, as we've done before, we'll search for virtual machine. And it's the top option there. Okay, we're going to click on create. And again, we'll click virtual machine. Now I will keep it as it has previously been, that is the subscription and PAYG. Resource group, that will populate that with grid tutorial again. Now virtual machine name. So for this one here, I'm going to call it Selenium Grid Firefox Node VM. A really clear description of what it does. What it is, sorry. Okay, we're keeping the region the same. Availability, we don't need redundancy. Security type, keep that basic at the standard level. And that's the image that we want there, the Ubuntu server 24.04. Keep the VM architecture at the default x64. And here's the size that we want here. It's pre-selected for me. You may have to scroll through or search for it. We don't want to enable hibernation. We want to change our authentication type to password and username. So I will just pre-populate this with exactly the same as the other VMs, the same username and the same password, just for ease. Okay, so that's done. And leave the inbound port selected at number 22. Click review and create. Actually, apologies, before you do that, we needed to go into networking. So I will click previous networking. We just need to double check that it's the same virtual network for all of our VMs, and it is. Actually, it wasn't. So this is good. So we want to have it on the Selenium Grid Hub VNet. Okay. Now we can review and create. I'll pause the video here until it's complete. Okay, the VM has been created. So let's look at the overview. Great, and that's the size that we wanted. And what we're interested in here is the private IP address. So the private IP address is 10.0.2.4, and we'll need to use that in the next video when we're hooking up to our pub and sub for the Selenium Grid.